Hey there, savvy shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make better purchasing decisions without breaking a sweat. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of steam mops. We're pitting the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop against the BISSELL Power Steamer Heavy Duty 3-in-1 Steam Mop. Who will clean up the competition, and who will leave you in a puddle of regret? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the price. The Shark S5003D is going for a cool $129. Reviewers appreciate its value for money and find it affordable for the features it offers. On the other hand, the BISSELL Power Steamer is priced at $175. While some users feel it's a bit steep, they also note that the heavy-duty capabilities justify the price. So if you're on a budget, Shark might be your best friend here. Next, let's splash into the water tank capacity. The Shark's got a 220 milliliter water tank, which means you'll be refilling it more often than you refill your coffee cup on a Monday morning. Reviewers mentioned this can be a bit annoying during longer cleaning sessions. Meanwhile, the BISSELL doesn't specify its capacity, but promises powerful, high-temperature steam. Some users have found it effective for heavy-duty cleaning, though they wish they knew how much water they were actually working with. Now let's get technical. The Shark features genius head technology with direct steam channeling, and many reviewers praise it for its ability to tackle stubborn stains effectively. Meanwhile, the BISSELL is flaunting its 3-in-1 heavy-duty capabilities. It transforms into an extended reach and handheld cleaner. Users enjoy this versatility, but some have noted that it can be heavy during extended use. It's like a transformer, but instead of fighting Decepticons, it's fighting grime and grease. Speaking of fighting, both of these bad boys are chemical-free. The Shark says, never use bleach or fabric softeners. Reviewers commend its effectiveness in killing germs and dirt without chemicals. Meanwhile, the BISSELL is like, I eliminate 99.9% of germs. Users appreciate this feature, especially those with pets or allergies. It's the ultimate showdown, germs versus steam. Now let's get into accessories. Shark's got double-sided dirt grip washable pads. While users find these convenient, they also mention the cost of replacement pads can add up. Now, the BISSELL comes with 29 accessories. Users rave about this versatility, stating it's like the Swiss Army knife of steam mops. Need to clean your car? Check. Want to tackle your outdoor patio furniture? Double check. If this mop had a cape, it would be a superhero. Overall, the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop receives high praise for its affordability, ease of use, and effective cleaning capabilities, especially on textured surfaces. Reviewers appreciate its steam features and lightweight design, though some note minor issues with the mop head. On the other hand, the BISSELL Power Steamer is lauded for its heavy-duty cleaning power and versatility, but users mention its weight and some durability concerns with accessories and parts. Both products have their strengths, making them suitable for different cleaning needs. So after all that steamy drama, which mop should you take home? If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that gets the job done, Shark S5003D might be your pick. But if you want versatility and a whole arsenal of cleaning tools, the BISSELL Power Steamer could be your new best friend. In the end, whether you're Team Shark or Team BISSELL, remember, cleaning doesn't have to be boring. So what do you think? Let us know in the comments below which steam mop you'd pick. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more epic product comparisons. Until next time, keep it clean, folks.